Guys, bilang isang Pilipino, adobo talaga ang paboritong ulam ng lahat. Iba't ibang klase ang pagluluto natin sa adobo. May adobong masabaw, may adobong tuyo, malangis, at lalong-lalo na sa chicken adobo, mayroon tayong hinahalong patatas at minsan boiling egg. At mayroon namang spicy adobo. At sa pork naman ay mayroong pork spicy adobo at mayroong masabaw na adobo. At dito naman bilang isang nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa ay nagluluto din kami ng adobo at nagugustuhan ito at hinahanap ng aming mga alaga. At lahat naman tayo ay ating kusina. Dahil iilan lang naman ang ingredients ang kailangan sa pagluluto ng adobo. Depende na lang talaga yun kung iti-twist mo yung adobo mo. Pag ikay magluto ng classic adobo, ay madali lang talagang hanapin ang ingredients niya. Pero ito guys, kakaiba ang isi-share ko sa inyo na si legendary Gordon Ramsay mayroong competition program sa USA, isang ship na Amerikana ang nagluto ng adobong burger. This is adobong patties burger. At ito ay nagustuhan na legendary Gordon Ramsay at siya ang nanalo. Panoorin natin guys. Nakakatuwa talaga, nakaka-inspired, nakaka-proud. Itong pagkain nating adobo, it is international. Nakilala na talaga lahat sa buong mundo. Nakilala na talaga ang ating adobo. At it is well established na talaga sa buong mundo ang ating pangunahing ulam sa mga Pinoy, ang adobo. Kaya panoorin natin guys.
Touchable seasoning. This one. Meet Mora. This is a Filipino-inspired burger.
Yeah, so I have a Filipino-inspired pork adobo burger. The key here is to take the bacon and actually grind it into the patty, so you get a nice juicy bacon flavor. And then of course you add the quintessential adobo flavors, which is vinegar, soy sauce, bay leaves, lots of garlic.
All right, Gordon, what do you think?
Seasoned beautifully.
Seasoned beautifully.
And that goat cheese gives it a richness as well. The bun, that's a traditional Filipino.
Oh yeah, it is. It's called pandesal. Yeah, of course.
Sweet, delicious.
Well,
Really good.
You know what? It's kind of like coming down to a decision, Gordon. You have to make a decision.
I mean, here's the thing. Two good burgers. Let's
Okay.
get it right. Touch more seasoning. Could do them with a touch more spice in there, lift it up. But I'm going to go with the Filipino.
There you go, Jesse.
Pass it on down.
The trophy.
Amazing.
And Gordon, thank you so much for joining us, man. And we can't wait to watch the show, The F Word. It premieres Wednesday, May 31st on Fox. Make sure you check that out.